So friends, let's see today's lovely Goan style of Chitki Bhaji. Now first I've taken off the tips of the Gawar and I've broken them into small pieces, and I'm going to put them in some water to which I've added salt. I'm going to wash them well, keep them in the water for about 5 minutes, then rinse it really well and drain off all the excess water. So our Gawar is all ready. Now I've taken 2 small potatoes, washed them well, peeled them and cut them into half, and then I'm going to cut them into thick slices like this. And I'm going to soak it in some water so that they don't discolor. This is a very tasty bhaji, and I suggest that you really try out this recipe. It's super delicious and very easy to make. So our potatoes are also ready. Just keep them in some water. Then I've taken 1 medium-sized onion, washed it well, peeled it, cut off the edges, cut off the middle yellow. Again wash them and then just cut them into medium slices like this. And I've taken 1 tomato, washed it well, taken off the top and then cut it up into small pieces, just like the onion size. Similar, the potato, onions and tomato. Now I am also using 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. This is our potato, our onion and tomato ready. Now we also require some fresh coriander for grating, for garnish. 10 cloves of garlic that I've chopped fine. 1 teaspoon of jaggery. You can also use sugar. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, cumin powder, garam masala. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and coriander powder, and some salt to taste. So these are the ingredients. Now I'm going to heat up a pan and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to drain off the water from the potatoes and I'm going to add the potatoes to this hot oil. Now we're going to fry the potatoes till they're nice and golden brown and crispy. So this took me about 1 to 2 minutes on a low to medium flame. Transfer the potatoes into a bowl. In the same oil, you're going to fry the chitki or the gawar. You're going to fry this well for 5 minutes, continuously stirring on a medium to high flame. We want to fry the gawar really well, and then once it's fried, take it out in a separate bowl. Now to the same oil, I'm going to add the chopped up garlic. And we're going to fry the garlic till it's nice and golden brown in color. Now we're going to add the onion and we're going to fry the onion well till it's nice and translucent. Next we're going to add the tomato and we're going to cook the tomato till it's nice and soft. Then I'm going to add all the powder masalas. Mix everything well, and I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water because we don't want to burn the powder masalas. So I'm adding a little bit of water. Mix everything well. Cook the mixture for about half a minute. Now we're going to add the fried chitki or gawar. Mix it well. Add the fried potatoes. Mix it well. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. Add the jaggery or gur. You can also add a pinch of sugar in place of the jaggery. It just elevates the taste of the dish, the sweetness. Now add 1/4 cup of water because we want to cook everything and let everything come together really well. Now you're going to cover and cook this on a low flame for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Don't leave it unattended, stir in intervals. The aroma is so amazing in my kitchen right now. Now I'm going to add the freshly grated coconut. Mix everything well. So this becomes into like a dry kind of bhaji. So it's very tasty with chapatis or rice and dal. You can also carry it in a tiffin with chapatis. Very tasty. Now just give the mixture a taste to see if any salt or sugar or any masalas are required, and you can adjust it according to your taste. Now I'm just going to cover and cook it for another little, about 2 minutes only, stirring in intervals. And now our vegetable is almost ready. We just need to garnish it with some coriander. So once it's ready, I'm going to turn off the heat. And now I'm just going to add some freshly chopped up coriander. And our lovely Goan style Chitki Bhaji or Gawar Bhaji is all ready to enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.